So it's almost end of the week, and I finished a 10K run today. It was super hard because my training is a little different compared to many other runners, because I include a lot of weight training in the middle, animal flow, yada. So end of the week, it becomes very hard to push and even wake up to go for a run. So I thought I'll run like, I don't know, 40 minutes, but felt really good. Pushed for an hour and see how much I can run, and ended up running just over 10K. So at the same time, I was thinking, and I was also listening to a very spiritual podcast or audios, and it said something like, often we always try to listen or ask others and we forget to ask ourselves. Self introspection, right? When I heard that, the only thing that came to my mind was how so many people on Instagram are always asking me about, where do I get my motivation from? The motivation for me is myself. I know it sounds very cheesy, but I'm always looking to be better than myself every day. From a little kid, I've stopped comparing myself to other competitors. When I played tennis, I always compared to someone else, and that didn't feel good. That felt awful. So I think from a very young age, I stopped comparing myself to others, and I've always compared to myself. And I just always want to be better than what I was yesterday. So that's my motivation. Yes, I get my inspiration from a lot of people around me, a lot of things that I see, hear about, etc. So many people that I work with, or even the people that I see in the gym. Everything is inspiring, but honestly, the motivation for me comes from what I am and what I can be. Being the better version of yourself. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's not being selfish. You're just trying to be better so you can be better for others.